Hi guys, welcome to my very first video on Node.js. So the first question pops out of mind is what is Node.js? Node.js is a runtime environment. The definition is pretty much available on the homepage of this website. If we avoid all these bookish definitions and need to understand in a nutshell, Node.js is simply a runtime environment like Apache, where in the Apache case it can have PHP as a server-side language or any other language or server-side language, but in Node.js case the server-side language is JavaScript. Having said that, you could do all the server-side operations like file sync systems, event input and output streams, web server creation, and other logical stuff. All of this kind of operations programmed in JavaScript and executed in Node.js runtime environment. Let us look at how to install Node.js on Windows machine. Unfortunately, I cannot demonstrate the installation process for Mac as I am not having any access to a Mac device, but sure, in future I'll definitely do that for you guys. So go ahead and click on this recommended version, which is 6.9.5. if you want to use the latest features with some bugs, reported bugs, you can still go with this current features, but I would like to go for recommended one, which is more stable. Wait for the application to be downloaded. Now that the MSC file is downloaded, it is a small 12 MB file. Double click on the MSC file. It's getting installed. Wait for it to complete. Hit next. Accept these agreements, terms and conditions. Next, select the desired folder. I would prefer to let the default folder as the selection. Hit next. Now it has get finished. It is time to test whether the Node.js application is installed. So to do that, you need to go to command prompt, hold the window key and type R cmd. This command will eventually open. Command prompt. Here type node-v. So if you are just seeing a same message as like me or the appropriate version number that you have installed, we will also perform another test for Node Package Manager, which is installed along with the Node.js bundle. So that is npm Node Package Manager -v. So we need to see similar kind of output. Yeah, we have got the latest version installed. Now it is 3.10.10. Let us also test the runtime environment. As I said, it should execute the JavaScript code. So let us go and type node, which started the runtime execution. Now I'm going to type the basic console log method from JavaScript. Console.log. I just want to log hello world. Don't worry about the undefined. We got the hello world printed out there. That means this node command has triggered the runtime environment, and the runtime environment is really able to understand the JavaScript code. So let us also execute some of the JavaScript syntaxes, like creating a variable var sample var is equals to test data and try to console.log sample var. It's pretty much clear. So what I have given is a JavaScript syntax, and what I am seeing is a JavaScript output. So that's the proof that Node.js has got installed and working correctly. Now you can ask me a question. How is it really possible to bring a JavaScript environment to a console? Yes, it is possible. In the browser case, the parent object for JavaScript is the window, but here in this case, the parent module is the topmost object in Node.js. So the environment is literally copied from browser and embedded as in a runtime environment through the installation package. That is clear. And there is another misconception about Node.js. Node.js is definitely not another framework like jQuery, AngularJS. Node.js is a runtime environment. Yes, Node.js is open source, and there is also a popular question going around in the internet that is Node.js is a language? No, it is not a programming language. It is a minimal programming language runtime environment. So let's conclude this video and meet you guys in the next video where we would really build some sample apps.